I'm Mark Greenstein, and this is a how-to segment for our clients. So a lot of parents and some kids realize that the essay for the SAT still has some importance at many competitive colleges. So to do well on it is an enhancement. Here's how we do this. We ask students to do practice essays. They learn strategies with us first, but the essays are how they put it into play. We give them the material to be doing essays under timed conditions at home. Material looks kind of like this, blanks, and a prompt that looks like 2 pages of this to be read, analyzed, and commented on for the rhetoric. That's for the SAT. For the opinion that you might have, that's for the ACT. 2 different tasks. We coach both of these. We do these one night each month, and we allow kids in our program to hear the strategies free of charge. Not free, but still economical, we will evaluate their work. They can send us up to 6 essays over the next few weeks, and we will then see something like this, okay, filled in 3-4 pages that an Ivy-bound instructor will put a grade on and give some assistance on, some hints for doing it better next time. That's what you can expect. And that's what kids, I think, should do to help assure them of being in the 20s. The SAT scaling goes from a 6 to a 24. We want our kids to be in the 20s, and almost all of them are. So if you want to join that, you could do this at any time by adding on the essay components, $200 for clients, $250 for outsiders. And you could even have your kid do 1 or 2 of these essays attached to a full-length practice test. I think you know we hold these most weekends, and so at the end, when some people might be leaving, your kid stays, has the booklet, done with the scoring, but then the essay will commence for the next 40 or 50 minutes. We'll get the scores back to you, we'll get comments back to you, and your student should be better off by having them. Again, we expect kids to end up in the 20s. On the ACT, the commensurate level gets them to a top 10% score. That's where we want our kids to be, and fortunately, most of us follow through, and their kids are showing really good scores. I'm Mark Greenstein. Thanks for your attention.